All right, today's lesson is on geometric transformations. Now, from the previous lessons, you should know the basic operations of reflection, rotation, and translation. So I'm going to ask a few questions. In the figure below, is the image a reflection, rotation, translation, or none? Well, if you said a translation, you're correct, because the image didn't change orientation, it didn't change the shape or size, just simply moved from one location to another, but it has the same exact shape, its angles in the same place, so it's a translation. In the figure below, is the image a reflection, rotation, translation, or none? Well, if you notice, the triangle doesn't change shape or size, but it does change orientation. Therefore, this would be a rotation. It doesn't flip around, by the way, so it's not a reflection. So we know that this just turns. So in the figure below, is the image a reflection, rotation, translation, or none? Well, looking from right to left, the original image is a diamond shape. The final image is also a diamond shape, but notice that it's larger. So we know it's not a reflection, it's not a rotation or a translation because they preserve the size. So this is going to be none. Right, now sometimes you're given ordered pairs and you're asked to reflect or translate or rotate a polygon across the x-axis or y-axis. In this case, reflect the polygon across the x-axis. Remember, reflection, you're just flipping the original image. So in this case, with the ordered pairs, you're going to take the first ordered pair and leave it the same and add a negative to the y-coordinate. So these will be your new points. And what this does, it'll flip this image over and reflect it across the x-axis. And you should get this image. Okay, well this will be 2, -1, 22, -1, and this will be 12, -12. All right, translate the given image 2 units to the right and 1 unit down. Remember, to translate, that means to move the image to another location. So, you take the original ordered pairs. So say you have 6, 14. You're going to add 2 units to the right, and you're going to go down 1 unit. That gives you 8, 13. The other ordered pair is 18, 14. And again, you're going to go 2 units to the right and 1 unit down. That gives you 20, 13. And likewise with the other ordered pairs. You have 2, 2. 2 units to the right, 1 unit down. That gives you 4, 1. And 15, 2. 2 units to the right, 1 unit down. That gives you 17, 1. And these are your new coordinates. And when you translate it, that's what you're going to get. So this becomes 8, 13. You have 20, 13. This becomes 17, 1. And this is 4, 1. All right, rotate the image 1 unit to the left from the center point 3, 2. And what we're going to be doing is rotating this. You can rotate it 90 degrees, 180, all the way to 360. In this case, we're going to rotate it 180 degrees. So think of this as a center point, and this is like a circle here. And we're just going to spin this around. When you do this, you get this. With 3, 2 is the same. And this becomes 14, 2. And this becomes 3, negative 13 when you rotate it around that point. This concludes our lesson for today.